Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record a bank deposit using undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. This process helps you match your QuickBooks records with your actual bank deposits, ensuring your books stay accurate and organized. Let's start by clicking the plus New button in the left-hand navigation menu. This button is your gateway to creating most transactions in QuickBooks, and it'll open up a list of options for you to choose from. From that menu, select Bank Deposit under the Other section. This takes you directly to the deposit creation screen where you'll consolidate those undeposited payments. Once you're in the bank deposit window, the first thing you need to do is select the bank account where you want to deposit the funds. Click on the account dropdown and choose the appropriate account. This tells QuickBooks exactly which bank account should reflect this deposit, keeping your account balances accurate. Now comes the important part. Under Select the payments included in this deposit, you'll see a list of payments that are currently sitting in your undeposited funds account. Check the boxes next to the payments you're actually depositing together. This is where you're essentially telling QuickBooks which payments made it into your physical bank deposit, allowing you to group multiple payments into one deposit, just like you would in real life. Next, enter the deposit date in the deposit date field. Make sure this matches your actual bank deposit date, as this synchronization is crucial for reconciliation later on. If you have any additional funds or fees that need to be included, you can add them in the Add Funds to this deposit section. This is optional, but it's useful if you're depositing cash or other items alongside your customer payments. Before you finalize anything, verify that the total deposit amount matches your actual bank deposit amount. This quick check prevents errors and saves you headaches during reconciliation. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close to complete recording the bank deposit. To confirm everything processed correctly, go to Accounting and then Chart of Accounts. Locate and open the undeposited funds account to verify its balance is now zero after the deposit. If the balance is zero, you've successfully moved those funds out of the holding account and into your bank account where they belong. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.